Stellantis wants nothing to do with gasoline horsepower. They've done everything in their power to go against it. And because they're going against it, this ain't going to stand. They're going to shut this down as soon as they can. What they're trying to do is drive people back to the brand long enough and trick them into buying EVs for you guys to get stuck with EVs, not a piece of automotive history. That's what's going to happen. I want to know if the powertrain is partial EV. I want to know if they're just using the engine to charge the battery. I got a sneaky feeling that's what's coming. You guys heard it here first. I got a feeling their engine that they're going to put in the SRTs is going to charge an EV battery. I really hope I'm wrong, but somehow I got a feeling I'm not. See if they give any hints in here. Okay, first thing I see, guys. They're showing you pictures of old SRTs. Why would they be doing this? Ask yourself, why would they be showing you pieces of old school, historic horsepower and legacy among the brand? Again, another old picture. Why? If this was released from the SRT camp, why would they be showing you this? You got to ask yourself this question. Why would they be asking you this? Well, they'd be asking this for one obvious reason. And that obvious reason is this isn't what you're going to get. This is what they're using to get you in to buy the new SRTs. And the new SRTs are not this. They will not be this. They will not have the horsepower. They will not do anything that these vehicles could. This car still stands as one of the biggest supercars ever made. They're not going to do that again. They're not going to invest like that. They're going to do something different. But knowing who owns the company, they're pulling the purse strings, not Tim. Tim could put all this forward and say, no, we want you to take an engine and we want you to make it to where it charges the battery and we'll call it the SRT package. If SRT, hold on. If SRT comes back and it has 6 cylinders in it, then you guys already know. That 6 cylinder is used to charge a battery. It ain't hooked to a driveline. Not on an SRT. It doesn't produce enough power to make it worthwhile. But if it's hooked to a battery, then they can get away with rebadging it as SRT. I really hope I'm not hitting this button in the next few months, but I got a feeling I will be.
Bruh. Well, I sure hope somebody picks up that phone, because I f***ing called it!
I got a feeling I'm going to be hitting that button in the next few months, especially when the new drivetrain gets released this fall. You guys will hear it here. You guys will hear it here. I will bring you guys what's going on. I will break that car down as soon as there's pictures released. It will be on my next week's live. Promise you that.